I think the most important point is to recognize that if you want healthy tissues around implants, you have to intercept biofilm formation, and if there is biofilm on teeth or implants or prosthesis, you have to remove it. Well, I'm Andrea Mombelli. I was professor of periodontology at the University of Geneva in Switzerland for 20 years, and before that I was the head of the laboratory for oral microbiology at the University of Bern, also in Switzerland. And now I'm retired, I'm Professor Emeritus, but when I'm invited to speak I take the opportunity, and it's a great pleasure to be here in Hungary today. It is actually about the colonization of implants with bacteria. What we are looking at is biofilm formation. When bacteria produce a biofilm on implants, this is a problem because it induces inflammation and can lead to peri-implantitis. And also in the treatment of peri-implantitis, you have to remove the biofilm. Otherwise, it's not going to heal. You cannot treat that only with antibiotics or with rinsing. And it's a big problem, it's a big question, because it's relatively difficult to remove the biofilm with traditional instruments like curettes or things like that. And I was talking about a method to remove the biofilm with air polishing. Well, I think the most important point is to recognize that if you want healthy tissues around implants, you have to intercept biofilm formation, and if there is biofilm on teeth or implants or prosthesis, you have to remove it. That's crucial for long-term success of dentistry and implant therapy. It's not the first time in Hungary, it's not the first time in Budapest either, but I think it's the first time I'm at this Congress, and I must say I'm quite impressed how big it is, and the parallel sessions that you have and the big commercial exhibit is quite impressive. I didn't expect it to be that big, honestly. Well, we have learned during the COVID years that we can do a lot of things online. I'm giving webinars and we send emails and all kinds of things. But it's not the same, you know, to meet in person, to be able to speak to each other. It adds a human element that you cannot have online. So even if we have webinars today and all kinds of online things, to be able to meet at a meeting like this has a very high value. So I was invited to this meeting today. And I must say I'm really impressed about the atmosphere, the size of the meeting, and the possibilities to interact with other professionals, also with industry partners. And I highly recommend to come to this meeting next time it takes place.